Y'all, I think the days of selling boring PDFs are coming to an end. I took what would have been a simple PDF and turned it to a fully interactive career platform using Canva AI, and I didn't write a single line of code. Let me show you. So, most digital products look like this: 50 pages, lots of scrolling, people buy it and never open it again. I'm guilty. So, instead of another ebook, I built an experience. So this is Beyond the Stamp. And it has, this is the homepage. You can explore the careers. This is for those who are wanting to become a notary and needing to know everything before doing so. So you have the Explore Careers, which it will take you to the notary career paths and let you know about what each career entails. So it tells you what a traditional notary is, the daily responsibilities, the training if it's required, startup costs, earning potential, advantages, challenges, and the ideal personality for this particular role. It talks about your mobile notary, loan signing agent, the RON, the remote online notary, your electronic notary, which is just simply you signing everything in person, but using the electronic signatures. The apostille, being a hospital notary, a jail notary, estate planning, corporate notary, I-9 verification agent, field inspector, independent business owner, wedding officiant, and um, the fingerprinting services. So it also has the glossary letting you know what these terms mean, common terms that you will see being a notary. And it has information regarding the commissioner requirements, costs, and regulations for all 50 states. So as you see here, this is Alabama. It lets you know there is no mandatory training, the bond requirement, if Ron is offered or not. Let's see. And also on the home page, it has the income calculator as well as the coach. My screen is kind of blocked right now, so I can't see it. But we also have the career quiz to help match you to which notary career path is best for you. It has your startup checklist, and as you meet the checklist requirements, you just check them off, and then your progress bar will update. It has your business setup guide, letting you know from start to finish what all you would need to handle and get taken care of before you can become an official notary business. And it also gives you some marketing resources about setting up your Google business profile, website SEO, marketing on social media, attending networking, or referrals, building those relationships with the real estate agents and attorneys, outreach to the hospitals and senior communities, business cards and print materials, online directories and platforms, email marketing, and obtaining those reviews and testimonials after each appointment. Everything is interactive. So I built this because someone interested in becoming a notary shouldn't have to search 40 websites or listen to all these videos on YouTube trying to figure out where to start. So I wanted to place everything in one place where they can explore careers, compare opportunities, and build a business. So here's what really got me thinking: why are we still creating PDFs? Um, AI can build learning interactive platforms. So imagine replacing the typical ebooks, the checklists, templates, worksheets, resource guides with something that people actually enjoy using and will remember. Because we've all been guilty of downloading a PDF and we might look at it, skim through it, but it's usually be presented in a way that is information overload that you don't click on that thing again. We all have those downloaded and saved, excuse me, on our system somewhere. So just imagine that you can do this for any kind of field. Fitness, soap making, tax prep, HVAC, landscaping, gardening, travel, real estate, medical billing, Christian Bible studies, resume building, college planning, wedding planning, homeschooling. Like the list goes on. I'm trying to get y'all back to my interactive the homepage so I can show y'all the calculator. But this stuff is in my way. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. All right, so you see down here at the bottom it says AI coach, get personalized guidance on your notary journey with intelligent recommendations. So you hit start coaching, answer these questions. Um, where are you located? And then it's just going to lead you to how to use this site best for what you chose. And it gives you your recommended next steps. This is like your personalized roadmap. And then over here on the income calculator, you list your state, you choose your state, your career type, whether it's traditional notary, mobile notary, loan signing agent, Ron, or the electronic notary, how many appointments you want to take a day, how many times a week, and what is your typical fee. And then as you saw here, um, it changed to show your monthly profit. So that's how that works. So if you've ever wanted to become a notary, I built this platform for you. Y'all know I started this channel off teaching about my notary experience, and that's what got this channel monetized within that first 2 months of me creating the channel. So if y'all are still out there watching every video every now and again, I know that I've pivoted a lot on this channel. But still the central focus is about how to make money. Um, but yeah, this is something since I'm now in this um career path of building AI systems, this is something that I wanted to create, that I learned how to create, and that it is available for you if you're interested in it. If you're an entrepreneur and this inspires your next digital product, maybe you want to create interactive apps, get out of that boring PDF state, then I have everything linked below for you. And yeah, I hope y'all stick around for the next video.